What's going on YouTube? Bailey Wise, and we back with another video, and we are in Columbia, and we got the Hellcat out here in the middle of nowhere. And today, since we do have the Hellcat here on the welds, and if y'all watched my last video, we got my mom's reaction to what she thinks of my new wheels. But today, I've never tried launch mode in the Hellcat, and now that we got the wheels and the Demon Springs, we are going to jump into it and see what kind of times we can get and see what launching the Hellcat feels like. Hopefully we don't break anything, and we're going to be going back to the city we grew up in, so we're going to see some things around. And we got our special guest as always. What you got to say? Motivational words of the day.
Drive fast, eat ass.
And just like that, that is what we are doing in this video. So let's get into launching the Hellcat and get down the driveway, because we've got like a 10-minute drive down the driveway. So
whoa, look at this big ass burger. It's like,
maybe we'll go smack a fat burger, but probably not there. What the fuck? We found our road in Mexico. We're about to try launch mode here for the first time. I've had this car for 2 years and I've never tried the launch mode. So we got it in the custom. You see street traction. Gonna hit the launch button to launch. Correct brace. How did that feel? It was spinning like crazy.
I was like leaning back.
It definitely was like spinning for like ever, and then once it caught, it really went. There's probably like a football field of black lines. We're gonna have to spin the block and go see. Launch mode in these cars is not as good as control it yourself rather than just dumping it, but we had to test the new tires and the Demon Springs and see, and that's actually without a burnout. So at the tracker, something like that where it's a little bit more controlled, it'd probably do a lot better. Like, that did sound terrible. And I'm sure our last 0 to 60 time, we'll have to do another one with the 0 to 60 times and see what we get, because that was probably like a 5-second 0 to 60. That was terrible.
What's up, YouTube? Bailey said he won't let me launch his car. Heck.
I mean, that's just YouTube. You already know the answer, and comment down below what you saying back. If it was a track hawk and it was all-wheel drive, go for it, but you know, I'm not trying to spin off, like throw it in the ditch type.
I'm not gonna do that.
We never know. You're used to a big body Equinox. It's a little bit different.
Don't tell what Sheila is.
We got
she hits the track.
Launch control in this car, it just is not it on the
That's because the driver.
We are about to try another launch, but like brake control, no launch control from a dead stop. Here we go. This is like 1500 RPM.
Oh. Jeez. You just see me going up.
That was a 4.10 to 60. But it's alright. It's alright for never ever launching this car, like ever in my whole life. Besides at the track, we did get like I think my best in this car, I have it recorded, it's on the car, is a 3.2 0 to 60, which ain't that bad. It's not that bad for not knowing how to drive just on a tire. But we're gonna get out. Next time you see this clip, or next time the camera's rolling, we're gonna do outside the car a little. And I'm
gonna run with the car. But also, also y'all, when he hit that shit, I can hit my head up here on this because it'd be leaning back so hard.
The Hellcat's like that with the Demon Springs. I'm telling you, it catches grip and it's gone. Oh, we can show you my best right now, so you know I'm not capping. Hold on. Oh, it's not loaded. Hold up.
Y'all, he's lying.
No, I swear. Alright, come on. If the gate's unlocked, we are going past the old high school. I haven't been here since like graduation day, so this is like a big throwback. This is where we went to high school, Blythewood High School.
I did not go there. That's not a we statement.
I went to Blythewood High School back in 19, and I've been out for since 19 and it's 2022, so I haven't even been back here. So
well, y'all got like a little pond.
yeah, I mean, it was a big high school.
Okay,
but
rich school.
no, I definitely don't miss being here at all. I'm not gonna lie, I don't miss a bit about high school. I just was never a high school person, but it's still cool to go see whatnot. I'll show y'all
Did y'all
where I
have a
parked.
fishing team?
I don't think we had a fishing team, but we had like this class in environmental studies, and shout out to environmental studies teacher, because that was like the only class I ever enjoyed in high school. They added porta potties or whatever those are in the parking lot.
Where?
The portables or whatnot, but
You mean like the mobile home type?
yeah, like the little classrooms.
Yeah.
It looks busty out here now.
They probably use it for storage. That's what my school did.
But we parked back when I had the Camaro all the way back here in this corner, and we had like a good quarter-mile walk into school, but
Now do a donut.
nah.
Ugh, come on.
But first time being back here in a minute, I don't know what to say. I don't miss it at all.
Shopping cart.
And I'm just glad to be out of here. And we've only been out a couple years, and we still got the best car in the parking lot, so that's crazy.
I really want
I'm
that.
just kidding. Anyway.
Very big.
Shout out to Blythewood.
It's probably bigger than my college was. It's nicer.
We getting out of here because ain't no turning back. Because
Wait till you see the angles I'm in.
shout out to Blythewood. If any of y'all boys rocking with us that are still here, but it's probably not. Y'all probably done forgot about me, and that's how life is. But you don't wish to go back in time. You wish to go forward and increase as you go on, and don't get stuck in the moment and only move forward. That's my motivational speak. Like Moneybag said, if life could have been worse, I could have been dead, but now I'm in a Hellcat, not a hearse. You feel me?
And like Nicki Minaj once said,
What did Nikki say?
I never fucked Wayne.
Alright. Cut the camera. Cut the camera.
Of course, everybody and their mama wants to come by now. Jesus Christ. Go again. Go again. Okay, now do one more with, let me get it right when you start it. So like, be where I can be right here. Yeah. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know. We'll see. Here you go, YouTube. And he left me. Just kidding, he's coming back. What if I get robbed or taken? I'm gonna take a selfie. YouTube. Also, YouTube, check out our tracks. All the way. And he's back. I think he got it.
Yeah, we got a good bit. Shout out to the best girlfriend in the game, the #1.
Anna.
Anyway, without her, the footage wouldn't be here. And when you got the team with you and all you need is one to make a pair, you get better footage, because I couldn't do it alone. So shout out to her. Drop a like, comment, subscribe.
One of them in slow-mo.
We will have to put them in slow-mo. Especially, we got Instagram clips too on the telephone, so that'll be good. But we're headed back home. If y'all did like the video, comment, subscribe, share, all of that. Tell us what y'all want to see in the next video. And thank you for all the support as always. Deuces.